Welcome to Perla Lichi's remodeling and glamorizing tips. Well, what do you do when you go to a mirror? Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the most beautiful of them all? Well, let me tell you something. What you reflect on that mirror is the most important thing. So today, we're gonna have some great tips on what you should reflect on that mirror. Of course, you put yourself in front of it, that's the most beautiful thing you can reflect. But there are other things in your home, important things in your home, that you gotta think about how to reflect them. And today I'm gonna show you tricks on what you should reflect in those mirrors. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Well, obviously, we're looking good, but what you reflect on this mirror is what's gonna make it. Where do we place those mirrors? We are reflecting the main feature wall of the dining room over here. Mirror placing is very important. It's also good Feng Shui. Don't forget your Feng Shui. So in this case, we created a giant niche. What used to be, by the way, the entrance to the kitchen. Now we are reflecting the dining room. Another interesting mirror concept. Elongate pieces of furniture. For example, this used to be a closet, which has been knocked down, and now we have a semi-divider, not a wall, but a beautiful piece of furniture that has been reflected again, that gives you not a 6-footer anymore, but a 12-footer because it has been reflected by the mirror. And if you stand here, I see Perla, and I see again the view, which is the ocean. Mirror placement is important because what you reflect is like adding square footage to your home. This one's my favorite, not because whoever stands in front of it looks fabulous, but this one is the extension of the kitchen. When you stand here, this kitchen looks double the long because the way it's set up with the angle. But not only that, but it used to be the opening to the dining room, and we've talked about that. We don't want to look at the dining room or the kitchen from the galley that used to be a kitchen. Now it's all opened up, but when I look at this, I see the ocean all over again. So the ocean is here, it's here, it's here, it's everywhere! I don't see myself here. Is this a mirror or is this a glass? I can actually see the ocean from here. I love it. This wall was opened up, and now I'm able to see the ocean. But what happens when I go into the master bedroom? Will I be able to see what's going on in the bathroom? New trick, here we go. We're gonna go on the side of the master bedroom, and we're gonna see what shows from this side. Check it out. Perla, and the ocean again. Because this is a two-way mirror. From one side it's a glass. So we're able to see beyond the wall. No more black wall like it used to be. That's a good remodeling tip. When it comes to closet doors, I always suggest go with mirror doors. Sliding or any type. Could be barn doors as well. Why mirror? Obviously, you have the opportunity for a full-length mirror. It's also giving you the extension of the room, as well as reflecting, especially when you have a beautiful view. Why not give the room more depth and dimension? So always think mirrors. Anytime you're reflecting anything beautiful, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all, put it there, and always make sure it's reflecting the right thing.